Man, y'all already know what time it is, man. It's POV Monday, shutty. POV Monday, shutty. Damn, I need to clean my car. I got a bunch of fucking water bottles and shit in here from fucking work. But POV Monday, man. I just got off work just now. I got off my first job just now. I worked 2 jobs today, but I got off work and realized it's POV Monday, shorty. And I realized ain't no POV out. You could blame that to Blaney though. This weekend on Sunday, me, Blaney, and Amari were supposed to come pop out and record some videos and shit. And one of the videos we were supposed to record. One of the videos we were supposed to record was a POV of fucking 2 Chrysler 300s. It was gonna be 2 Chrysler 300s and a BMW, man. We was gonna be cutting up, you feel me, driving, trying to race in some more shit with a little bit of lit ass POV. But motherfucking Bunny sold that shit. But it is what it is. I'm trying to get Amari to come out here tomorrow. He probably, bro, every time we try to make some plans with Amari, some stupid shit happen. But like, I don't know. It is what it is. I texted him yesterday about tomorrow, and I'm gonna retext his ass today when I get inside the crib. That whatchamacallit, I'm trying to do it, man. I got like 3 videos I can film with him like right now. For one, Amari, I know you be watching the POVs, gang, so come get up with me, gang. But that was Blaney ass on bullshit last time, you feel me? But yeah, but Amari, I text your ass. I don't know by this time period, by the time this bitch, this today. But depending on when you watch it type shit, I'm trying to film a motherfucking podcast with you, start the new podcast off. I'm still trying to come up with the name with that bitch. It's between like 3 different names for real. But we gonna start the podcast off as him as the first guest. Then I'm trying to film a motherfucking shit. I sent him the video, bro. It was the podcast, annual 1v1 basketball game, and whatchamacallit, and him showing off his BMW, bro. He had this bitch for like fucking, I don't even know, 6 months already. 5-6 months, maybe longer, and I still haven't seen this bitch in person. And this high keep blowing me that I haven't seen this bitch in person yet, bro. Cause I feel like all my main friends that drive cars, like, you feel me, we all getting into the car space trying to go to takeovers and some more shit. Well, I ain't trying to go to takeovers just yet. I'm trying to go to some chill shit first, so I can see what type of mood I'm gonna be in. Cause I ain't trying to crash out and do stupid shit. I already know if I jump straight into a takeover, man, I'm just gonna crash the fuck out. And I don't mean crash my car. I'm just talking about like crash out behavior type shit. That's why I'm trying to take things slow. On Thursdays, out where I live at, they got a car show I held. It's like 15 minutes away from my crib. And it's like a different theme every week type shit. It's on every Thursday. But I be working during the week. I be working during the week. Then the other days they be having takeovers is on like the actual takeovers where they drifting in some more shit. Those are on Saturdays. I fucking work Saturdays. Most of the time I only got Sundays off on the weekends. Most of the time my days off is Tuesday, Sundays, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. So it should be kind of rough for real. But it is what it is. We gonna figure something out. I definitely want to go to some chill shit, like a chill little car show. Then I want to go to a takeover type shit. So that shit coming soon, man. You feel me? Trust and believe is coming soon. What else? Yeah, Mark, so holla at me, gang. I was trying to be nice when you asked me on Saturday if you should pop out and shit, and I was whatchamacallit. I was trying to be nice and wait for Bunny ass, but all I did was fuck me over, because me and you could have filmed our shit. I really need to get over to this left lane. Everybody driving slow as hell. Shit, I might just do it right now. Fuck it. And that's how you say fuck it and get over to merge into your left lane. See, I ain't do no dickhead shit. Some motherfuckers be mad. Some motherfuckers be doing dickhead shit. Ooh, Challenger at the light. Challenger at the light. Y'all see that shit? No, y'all don't see that shit. Look at Challenger at the light. Challenger at the light, man. But yeah, bro, I got a bunch of car shit coming on the way. Like, it's coming, bro. Like I told y'all the last POV, I have over $1,000 like video coming, gang. So like, you feel me? That shit gonna be lit. Like I said, that bitch is gonna do decent or that bitch gonna flop, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta try shit out, and like I said, it was some shit that needs to be done anyway. So like, it is what it is. But then I got like a $1,200 video coming for my car. That shit gonna be devious. That shit gonna change the whole outlook of my car, man. But I ain't trying to speak too much into it. I don't want to, you feel me, run my mouth then ruin the spoilers and shit. Well, let's just put it this way. There's a reason why I've been working 2 jobs and I've been hustling to do what I gotta do, man. There's a reason for it, and everything will come to light. I say by January, for real, everything gonna make sense. By 2025 January, everything gonna make sense, man. Y'all just gotta, you feel me, stick with me, man. A lot of y'all fucking with the POVs, and I appreciate y'all for showing love and watching them all the way through. Those be one of my motherfucking best motherfucking videos on terms of watch time and shit. So I appreciate y'all for watching the videos all the way through and tuning the fuck in. You feel me? That's love. Right now, I got off work, and I gotta go pick up some groceries for my mama and shit. You feel me? So I'm finna do that. Then go back to the crib, shower, eat, and bring my ass to bed, cause I gotta go work my other job. But we finna get this bitch uploaded as soon as I get in the crib type shit. Man, y'all, I'm fucking tired as fuck. But everything gonna be worth it soon. I promise y'all. Like I said, bro, everything gonna make sense. Me not being able to go out with the guys and film whenever the fuck they want to, and everything else like that, it's gonna make sense, bro. I promise y'all. But also, motherfuckers can't be on bullshit where they pop up unannounced. And motherfuckers don't say shit. Then just expect your ass to do a hop, skip, and a run to get to their ass and shit. I'm not that type of nigga, man. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, bro. I'm not that. I'm not gonna hold y'all like. That's not me. This the problem with my friend group. Everybody wanna do shit, but they wanna plan it the day of. Like, you can't plan shit the day of, cause there's always some bullshit that's going on. So you gotta have backup plans and all that kind of shit. Damn, I kinda did that shit a little hard. And I need fucking gas, bro. Fuck, it's only Monday. I get paid Wednesday. Man. When you live, bro, it's crazy though. Like, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, and I don't really, like, it's weird. Like, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, but I'm not broke, if that makes sense, bro. It's just I'm saving a lot of my money, bro. So, like, my bank account look weird right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, I'm broke, but I'm not broke, if that makes sense. Like, that's how it was before. But when I was making money off YouTube, motherfucking TikTok, Twitch, and all that shit, that was all my spending money, and all my other shit was different. So, like, I always had money to play around with, but now that I don't got that, I'm trying to remonetize everything that I had. It's a little different, man. But that's why I need y'all to tune into all the channels. Well, tune into this channel, of course, subscribe and things of that nature. Then tune in to the motherfucking NC13 channel, man. That's my all my reactions and shit be at. Damn, I just put like a dickhead. It don't matter. But that's where all my reactions be at, and that's where my motherfucking gaming shit probably gonna be at. I think. I'm not 100% sure yet. We gonna see. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm driving. I'm gonna get this order real quick. Alright, y'all, we back, man. We about to go back to the crib. Ooh, the rain go. That bitch say Hemi on it, but I ain't hit that motherfucker home now one time. Man, y'all, I'm tired of shit. I guys got a package in the mail today though for that $1,000 video, over $1,000. Damn, she kind of cute. But for over that $1,000 video, man, I got one of my packages. I'm currently 3 weeks into this video. I don't know. I mean, I'm damn near done for real. I got like $400 worth of stuff I still gotta get, but that's it. And I don't know if I'm gonna get it this paycheck or I'm gonna wait. I'm not 100% sure yet, to be honest. Cause let me tell you, bro, I got the car sticker for registration. I got that bitch coming up. Then I gotta pay car insurance for the month. But then as soon as I pay car insurance for the month, 2 weeks later, we got car insurance renewal, G. And then 2 weeks later after that, I gotta pay car insurance for the month again, bro. Like, I'm about to get fucking diddied, y'all. I'm finna get diddied, bro. It's not even funny how bad I'm finna get diddied, bro. Man, this shit ain't it. I'm finna get fucked the worst way. Pause. I ain't no pause about it, bro. I'm dead ass well, shit, I don't even know. The motherfucking car sticker is $150. It's $150. The car registration for 3 cars on that bitch is like, I think it was $748. And my car is the most. I think I gotta give like $320 or some shit. Yeah, I think I gotta give like $320, bro. And then my car insurance is like $250. So do the fucking math. So $250 plus $250 is $500 plus $320. I think I gotta give. So $820, bro. I gotta spend $820, bro. Just for my car in a month span, bro. And that does not include gas or nothing, bro. Like, this shit diddy the fuck out of me, gang. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, I'm talking about, man, got my shit tickled, gang. This shit not even, man. This shit not even funny how, man, that shit not funny, bro. But I'm hot as hell, man. I'm hot, I'm tired. I gotta go fuck with that shit. To make sure it work the right way. Yeah, I gotta go shower, eat, go sleep, man. I need gas, too. Look at my gas, bro. Oh, my God. Get a Mopar. Make sure it's V8, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Go fast. This shit been a pain in the ass. I've been going through it. But like I said, bro, everything gonna... Damn, cop was just right there. Everything gonna make sense, bro. In due time, everything gonna make sense. I can't wait for everything to make sense, though, but it take time. I ain't gonna lie. It would happen a lot sooner if I wasn't doing what I was doing over $1,000, because that over $1,000 could have been towards that, what I'm trying to do anyways. But you know what I'm saying, everything gonna make sense. Everything will make sense eventually. Why are you gonna, bro, you in this slow ass Suburban and I got this GMC Yukon in front of me, then we got these other, man, these niggas finna make me tight, bro. These niggas finna get me tight, bro. Hell nah, you not getting in front of me, gang. You not getting in front of me, gang. You not getting in front of me, gang. You getting behind me, gang. That shit was so fraud. Fraud on so many different fucking levels. Tell your ass back. See, that's how you bully motherfuckers, Jay. See, I really want to cut that gap right there and, you feel me, get the fuck out the way, but I ain't even going to do it. I'm going to drive like a sieve considering I barely got gas. I'm going to have to get gas when I go to work, though. I'm going to put $10 in. I ain't going to hold y'all. I'm going to put motherfucking $10 in. I'm going to put motherfucking $10 in. So then when I get paid on Wednesday, I just get a full tank. Damn, Cam and Turn right there. They over here working that shit. Damn, turn right here on the guys. Damn, light just turned green too, but it is what it is. Somebody better not smack my shit, man. Ooh. I don't feel like doing a turn signal. I'm real hood over here, gang. Damn, he just blew the stop sign. Now let me do some shit like that. Cop going, Whew! Is he gonna blow this one? Is he gonna blow this one? Yeah, he blew this one. The motherfucker stopped after the stop sign. I think he wants some ice cream. But I ain't gonna spend no money right now. I'm gonna wait till payday. I had Wendy's today. I was thinking about getting a Frosty. But I got a $5 bag and called it a day. I really try to treat myself now to going out to eat for myself and buy like one thing, not like buy one good meal type shit. Last week, what did I get last week? Last week I had bone of beef. That bitch was banging. And I had bone of beef and Chick-fil-A last week. That shit was banging. I got a motherfucking bone of beef. I got a bone of beef. I got a beef with a motherfucking cheese fry with 2 cheese cups. So you got the cheese for your fries and the cheese for your beef. Get that bitch extra soaking wet in that motherfucking G. Falling off the motherfucking bread type. You feel me? Oh my God. Man. The Chick-fil-A was alright. It was just some nuggets and some fries. But like that beef though, man, that was some good ass meat. Pause. That was, I should have got some. I was just right there too in the gas. But I'm trying to save money, man. Like I keep saying this shit, bro. Like everything gonna make so much sense of why I'm like grinding the way I'm grinding right now, bro. Like motherfuckers be like, oh, I got a job. I don't really have a lot of time though. You feel me? Post on YouTube. I don't really got time for this. I don't got time for that. Bro, I'm working 2 jobs, bro. 2 jobs, bro. And I've been consistent all month. The only thing I haven't been consistent with is shorts. Cause that involves me going on TikTok looking for sounds, looking for videos, and then recreate that shit. So that's a little longer because sometimes, you feel me, depending on what your For You page is, it's kind of hard to find those quotes and things of that nature. I know the shit I be posting for my shorts. Them bitches be doing like over 1,000 views sometimes, or them bitches don't do no views at all. But you feel me? That will help grow my channel in terms of subs and shit. So it is what it is. There was most definitely a cop back there, but that's the only thing I gotta get better on. Tomorrow when I'm off, I'm probably gonna try to make like 50 of them things and just schedule them. But I gotta see what I gotta do for my other channel too. Man, MC13's finally gaining subs, bro, and gaining some viewers. I'm getting like 20 views over there. 20, hold on, what's this? Is this a cop right here? Nah, it was a Volkswagen. Nah, it was a Ford Explorer, but I couldn't tell what the fuck it was for real. But y'all probably talking about 20 views. 20 views ain't shit. You get more on this channel. But hear me out though. That channel over there almost got terminated multiple fucking times, bro. Multiple times. That bitch was on 2 strikes. Every time that second strike would expire, 2 days later, another one would come, bro. That shit pissed me the fuck off. Motherfuckers really used to be striking my shit and most every time I posted because they ain't fuck with me. They hated me and shit, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get that channel back popping. We damn near about to hit 1,100 subs, bro. And I was at 1,050 before I started posting again on this bitch last week of May. I started going on that bitch, but then I didn't have a phone because little bro got kicked out the house and some other shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get that channel to 2,000, and I'm gonna get this channel to 1,000 by the end of this shit, man. I'm lying my ass off. This channel gonna be at 1,000, but I don't know if the other channel gonna be at 2,000 by the end of this year. But man, I'm just so happy, man, because like everything gonna make sense by January 1st, bro. By January 1st, everything gonna make total sense, y'all. Total sense. I know this was a longer video because I was driving slow as hell, trying to be a civ and shit. But I will see y'all in the next POV, man. Hopefully coming up soon. I have a car update, and I did some type of yeah, y'all already, I don't know if I told you about that brake sensor shit, but I ain't really worried about that time. You feel me? Handle my business with that other bullshit. But hear me out. Hopefully, by not the next POV, but the next one, I have some type of update with my car and some type of modification done or something like that, man. I hope y'all enjoy, man, and I'll see y'all in the next video, baby. I love y'all. Subscribe. Roll to 1,000 subs.